This pipe connector is a simple-to-use adapter that allows smooth connection of 3 tubular handrails. The 3-ways pipe connector is 90 degrees, which is made of stainless steel 304 or 316. Our handrail accessories are made from solid stainless steel by casting process. Such pipe connector plays a very important role in handrail supporting. The biggest characteristic is no welding, easy fixing, to save much fixing costs. We have rich experience in the production of hotel and apartment balcony railings.